everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android camera not focusing on subject on Samsung Galaxy. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is open up the camera app and then tap manually to focus on the subject. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to more and then head over to pro mode on your device. Once you're inside pro mode, you can manually set your focus to your desired focal length. If that does not work, then what you can try and do is head over to your recent apps, force close the camera app and reopen it on your device. You can also head over to your quick settings, head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, head over to search and then search for the camera app in the search bar, tap on the camera app and then scroll down, hit storage, clear the cache of your camera app and reopen your camera app and try again. If the issue still persists, head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, hit restart to restart your device and try again. Also make sure to wipe off your camera lens to make sure that there is no fog or dirt covering the lens. However, if these issues still persist and your camera is blurred even on other apps, it may likely be hardware damage and you may have to visit the service center for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.